Hello folks, welcome back to this new video. So today I'm going to show you how you can copy one page from your Wix site and paste on the same site. So here I have opened the menu. So as you can see these are the pages from site menu, and let's say if we click on this about us option and we click on copy, then simply right click here and paste. So as you can see, the copy of about us this page has been pasted here. So this is how you can do it. So this is we can use this method to copy any of your page from your website and paste it. The other option is to just to duplicate the same page. So this is the another way. So you can use any of this way and you can be able to do the same task of copying or duplicating the one of the page from your website on your own. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.